and to serve the church. Angeline, are you ready to embrace, to proclaim, and to lead the Catholic faith? Angeline, the Church recognizes your desire to lead the Catholic faith. You hear the Lord's call to conversion and to be faithful to your baptismal promises. May you be sealed with the gift of the Holy Spirit on this Easter night and to have a place at Christ's Eucharistic table. May you receive God's blessings in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.